Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video I've got a bit of a hair thing going on today, but never mind. Today's a bit of a tool update. I've acquired quite a lot of tools and toolboxes from Dad and my granddad's generously giving me things, but I think I need to get a bit more organised because this is how I currently have all of it. You can see I've got this big toolbox here, and then another toolbox here, and then a multi-set of some battery equipment. And if I move this over, more about this in a minute. In this cupboard, I occupy the entire bottom shelf. Now onto this spirit level. There's a bit of a story behind this, in the fact that we have a barn that we store our metal and wood in, and we were going in there to get some things for an upcoming secret project, and we found this. And we've actually forgotten to take quite a few things out of there, including tape measures. But as you can see, this isn't in the best shape. The spirit level's lost a couple of its bubbles. And the one it has got isn't looking too good in there, so we're planning to revive this. And because Dad had bought some replacement ones for it, he's let me have it. We quickly measured up the size of what the bubble cartridges would be, and as you can see here, we've got a pack of a few of them. And now we're going to take these bits off and install them. First I need to clean out the screw heads. There's one. We've got them all out now. For some reason, there wasn't even bubbles in these ones. It's disappeared. But under further inspection, this one looks okay. And it's just the perspex that make it look a bit more dull. The plastic's actually captive, which holds the nuts in there quite nicely. But we're now going to be cleaning up the actual frame. I'm just carefully using a scraper to get rid of some of the bigger lumps. We're starting off with some white spirit to try and clean it up. The good news about this video is my sister got a new toothbrush after we used her old one. But to test this out for her, we have got some white spirit in this lid here, and I'm going to use the toothbrush to get into the harder areas to get to. cleaned the frame and the perspex as best we can. You can see we've got the new bubbles in their places ready to go back to, ready for the entire thing to go back together. Our replacement bubbles were a bit too long, but they had quite a lot of excess on the ends, so we just carefully cut that off and they fit quite well now. So let's put it back together. Before we fully do these up, we're going to compare it to another spirit level to make sure we've got them lined up. Everything's back together and fully adjusted now on the spirit level. And I'm really happy with how the cleaning turned out. And it's good to bring an old tool back into service. As you can see, I've been sorting out some of my tools, and Dad's just given me this new set of big calipers to go with my smaller set that I had. But that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, comments welcome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye.